Welcome back to the DPS CD Hub. And the next button we're going to look at is your email systems or your Office 365. So if you click here, you will access your email. Mine went directly to the email because I've already logged in and saved my password to my computer at home. However, I would suggest you wouldn't do that to your computer at the district for safety and security reasons. I have my email located here, but what I found most valuable about Office 365 are the apps, and they can be accessed through this app launcher right here on the left-hand side of your screen. So if you click on it, you'll see you have your email, you have Word, you can use that for lesson plans and other communications, PowerPoint, SharePoint, class notebook, forms, your OneDrive, Excel, OneNote, Teams, and Sway. What I want to point out today about Office 365, although I could go through each one of these apps individually, what I think that is the most important as it relates to our conversation today is the OneDrive. The OneDrive is just your thumb drive, although it's on the internet. So while you should have a thumb drive or a hard drive, external hard drive to back up all your work that you do, you can leave it here on OneDrive. So if you click on OneDrive, it may take a few minutes to load, you'll see I have all my files. I've organized them by subject matter. I've also organized them by my personal documents, my lesson plans, and student work as well. So you have this as a resource for uploading and loading information onto your computer. So if you want to create a new one, that's here. If you want to upload, here. If you want to sync it to your OneDrive at home, you can do that as well. And it also has, you can also individualize your folders by the type of app that you're using as well. So if you want to work with a new Word document, it will save here. If you want to work with a new Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, whatever you want to use, if you start it here, it will save to here. So that's just a note for those of you who start documents and then you're confused, like, where did I put that document? This is an all-in-one for you. Also, if you want to go back to recent files or files that you've shared, all of that is available to you here. I like to keep it all, everything that I've done in one place. And when I go to recent, I feel like that's where I can find my information most readily. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Office 365 and specifically OneDrive. Thank you.